So good morning, sir. My name is Matt Christian P. Abadilla from DSA Goodlang Team. So, i-explain ko po itong mga five question dito sa my assessment. So, proceed po tayo sa number one. Number one. What is eloquent ORF and Labyrinth and how does it simplify this interaction? Eloquent ORM or relational mapping is powerful feature of the Laravel frameworks that facilitate seamless interaction between applications and its underlying database. By employing an active record implementation, Eloquent allows developers to represent database table as classes, where each instance corresponds to a row within the table. Ito, how does Laravel handle HTTP requests and define roles? Laravel, a prominent PHP framework, employs an elegant and intuitive approach to handle HTTP requests and define roles. At its core, Laravel utilizes the Model View Controller or MVC architecture pattern, which separates an application logic from presentation. This separation facilitates a cleaner code structure and enhances maintainability. When an HTTP request is made to a Laravel application, it is first processed by the framework's routing system, which determines the appropriate response based on defined routes. So routes in Laravel are defined within the routes web page defined for web applications or routes API that PHP for API point. So number three, explain the role of blade templating engine in Laravel. The blade templating engine plays a pivotal role in the Laravel framework, serving as its primary mechanism for rendering views. Blade facilitates the separation of application logic from presentation, allowing developers to create clean and maintainable code by enabling the use of simple yet powerful syntax. Blade allows users to define templates that can be easily extended or included in other views, promoting reusability and organization within an application. Four, what are the security features provided by Laravel? Laravel is a prominent PHP framework, offers a robust suite of security features designed to safeguard your application against common vulnerabilities. One of the most significant aspects of Laravel security is its built-in protection against cross-site requests, forgery, or CSRF attacks. By generating unique tokens for each user session, Laravel ensures that malicious requests cannot be executed without proper authorization, thereby maintaining the integrity of user session. 5. How does Laravel support task scheduling? Laravel is a widely used PHP framework, offers a robust task scheduling features that enhances the efficiency of web applications by automating repetitive tasks. Central to this functionality is the command scheduler, which allows developers to define scheduled tasks within the application code base using a flow web and expressive syntax. So, yun lang po. Sir, thank you po.